Welcome back to Alkaline TV. It's time for your daily Doge. We're doing Dogecoin technical analysis. If you haven't heard about the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, I'm sure you've heard about it or you wouldn't have been here. Anyway, it's no news that it is down quite a lot. So I've been doing technical analysis videos for the last few days of Dogecoin, and I finally think I have a good count. So let's check it out. First, let's go to the daily. Well, I've got stuff drawn all over it. If you want to see what this was, check out yesterday's video. I'm going to delete it for now. Looks like it looks like we were just around the 0.5. So it's lost 50%. And I have alerts all over the place just so if I'm not sitting here. But let me get rid of this. And again, you can see what I was doing with this in the last video. There, it's gone. Okay, so let me hide those. So basically, you can set alerts. You can go over to the side where there's a little plus, and if you have a pro account, you click the plus, and you can set an alert. For example, this one is. Let's double click this one. You can edit it also. So this will notify me once, and you can have it email you, whatever. If that's better, you can change it there. And you can also set alerts on the RSI, which I did. I'll show you that in a moment. And so anyway, we're at about the 0.5 right now. So it's lost half its value already. And yesterday I talked about where I think it might land. So here's the 1 hour. And in yesterday's video also I talked about the Elliott waves. And I showed the very basics of it. Also, I keep recommending a book. It's not my book or anything like that. I wish. So we fell around here. That was the 0.5. Was that it? Is it over? It could be. That could be the end of the correction. I mean, I guess I'll put this back up. No, that's not it. Okay, so the 0.5 is right where my alert is set. Coincidence? Nothing is a coincidence. Look at this one. The 0.382 is where my other alert is set. Coincidence? I don't think so. So all these things line up for a reason. Anyway, as I drew a box right here, that's where I was expecting it to fall. It still might. Who knows how long it might take. It could be could be a lot of shenanigans in the meantime. It could fall right into it, or it could be done right there. So let's talk about that. And we've got more data since yesterday. I'm going to zoom in more to the 30-minute. I also did a video recently how to set up these charts because people requested a video of that. And if you want a certain video about something specific, comment below and I'll see what I can do. As long as it fits into what I do or what I know, I'll do it. Otherwise, if it's outside the realm of this channel, maybe not. Okay. So it could be done. I mean, falling 50% could have been enough for it to have recharged to go back up. But, it is overlapping this. I mean, that was definitely the end of that wave up. So this is a bear market. since it's underneath this white line, it's been a bear market pretty much. Well, on the daily, it's still above the white line. In fact, the white line is the very bottom of my buy zone. 15 cents ish, 13 maybe, where it fell to about 13 last time. It might poke under that really quick. It might not happen at all, but I will not be surprised if it does. Okay, let's go back in a little closer. Now we can start seeing the subwaves. So basically what I've been thinking is that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That was A. A. Oh, I messed that one up. Oops. A, right there. Move that. Oh, these are overlapping a little. Move this 3. There we go. As you can tell, this is sometimes difficult to keep track of. That's why you make a lot of money if you're good at it. Okay, that's more like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was A going down, but possibly. And I'm not a financial advisor. I should say that in this video too. I'm just interested in this and making a video about it. Trade at your own risk. It is definitely risky. C. B would have been right here. Okay. So this A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now this B wave here, A, B, C. And yes, I should change the color so that we can, I don't even know what color that is. Okay. ABC, maybe. And then this is the B wave, ABC. And then this C wave, 1, either here or here, not exactly sure which, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that could be it, my friends. We'll find out. If it crosses below this, then we'll have to count it again. But if it goes up from here, we will keep track. And again, I've been teaching about the RSI. Right there was a great buy opportunity. According to that RSI, which the RSI is this tool up here. It's called the Relative Strength Index. I talked about that in my video a little bit in my video about how to set up the chart. And yeah, right there, which was right here, would have been superb. And even if you were to just ride that right up and get out, that was a 10-cent jump right there. 10 cents doesn't sound much, but 10 cents out of 35 cents is almost a third. So that would have been in a few minutes making 30%. In just a few minutes, that's insane. Only in crypto, pretty much, can you do that. However, it is risky and not easy. So I thought that was going to come up a little and keep going down. But then I found this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And, you know, as long as this C wave was real, which was a 3, 3, 3, then, oh, I'm getting alerts going off. That's always nice. All right, it's going up for the moment. But there was just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So of course it's going to go up. But is this a 1 and a 2 right here? And the 3 is going to go up? Let me take a screenshot of this mess really quick before I delete it all, because that's pretty crazy looking. All right, so we'll see how far this goes up. It's hitting some of my alerts on the RSI. Get rid of this thing. I don't want to see that. Okay. Oh, it's because I keep accidentally painting. Everywhere I click is now a paintbrush. All right. So I'm going to get rid of this sloppy mess. But what do you think about this video? If you get value out of it, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see. If this is helpful, again, it's not a perfect, well, it is a perfect science, but I am an imperfect human. So actually the Elliott waves are tracking human behavior. The market goes down and people sell and people buy, it goes back up, and there's euphoria and there's panic. I mean, this is all psychology right here, so very fascinating. Ooh, nice little spike over here. Yippee! All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers recently. I mostly do health videos because what good is money without health? I learned the hard way, but I won't talk about that now. Ooh, it's about to hit my other alarm. All right, that being said, trade at your own risk, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.